that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Your children need something, that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Wetin dey happen for dis country? My mother mad no fit talk. Everybody just dey cry because they never chop. I see the pain for your face, see yet you no fit stop. Our parents dey shout, every day garri to dey cost. To price something for market, that one another cost. If you price tomatoes, ready to collect swear. From tomato see, abi na fish you go hear.
If you no dey see, no try me o, carry waka.
My brother no get patient, he go fight like Tyson. Papa go leave house, go find wetin dem go eat. If nothing dey for pocket, everybody go open teeth. When scarcity, that's one another thing. How can I try from Mokoko down to Coco Michael? If you get power, try am whether you no go colo. Why I no go holla when everything don sour? If you can't wait in me, that's what you need to see. Send this program message, go here. Your children need something, that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Your children need something, that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Our problem for this country now malnutrition, but our leaders they live with full of nutrition. This kind of situation needs strong solution. How can the poor be sure when I never take too short? Or brother my street junction. If I start agitation, you'll be like say my brain no function. Too much of inflation, but no money for circulation. When they start election, everybody go start selection. Then the regulation go line for fuel station. If you call demarcation, go hear we for police station. Which kind of humiliation is this for democracy? Why I get right to defend myself position? Now I no fit defend my own nation because we see the sick and we need enough injection. All divine intervention. Please don't be angry, right? I need self-expression. I need self-expression. Your children need something, that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Your children need something, that's why then they shout. If you give them something, like, they no go cry.
Bros, I dey hail, we dey hail.
Graduate for university, they work hard every day, no work for city. You know easy. Inside that go where I sit, no electricity to drink tea with